Welcome to this slowing down meditation. Life can get so hectic that we hardly take the time to just slow down, take a few breaths, and relax. But that's what we're going to do now. So find yourself a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Get yourself in a comfortable position, relaxed but alert, and close your eyes. Now take a few slow, deep breaths. Feel the cool, clean air as it fills your belly, and feel the warm, stale air leaving as you exhale. Breathe in peace, and breathe out stress as you settle into the stillness around you. Let go of all that is calling for your attention. Allow your body to fully relax. Release any tension that may be stuck in your body. Tightness in your shoulders, your neck, or your jaw. Continue to breathe in slow, deep breaths. Focusing on your deep breathing allows you to slow down and be fully present in the moment. Notice that you are becoming more at ease, more at peace. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into relaxation and rest. Give yourself permission to slow down for these few minutes, to care for yourself and to listen to your heart. No rules, no expectations, just peaceful awareness as you savor these quiet moments. Let go of the need to be doing anything. Instead, take these few minutes to slow down and allow yourself to relax and recharge. Just take your time, savoring each breath. Focus on just this moment. If your thoughts wander, that's okay. Just gently and kindly come back to the breath. Slow down and allow yourself to enjoy these few minutes of peace and relaxation. Give yourself plenty of space. It's in this space that you can heal. Receive insights about things in your life that may have been stuck or buried. Listen to your heart and mind, and hear the things that want to come forward for your attention. Just acknowledge them and let them go for now. Allow your mind to slow down and be at peace. There's no rush. You are creating new neural pathways so that you can be prepared to respond with gentleness and grace in any situation that comes your way. You are creating patterns of awareness, open acceptance, and patience. Just relax, welcoming whatever comes into your mind and gently letting it go. Continue to focus on your breath. Notice that you are becoming more relaxed and at ease, letting go of the habitual patterns of rushing around. And instead, you're slowing down. There's no rush, nowhere to go, and nowhere you need to be but here, in this moment. This slowing down allows for wisdom as you continue into your day. It allows for you to be at peace internally, no matter what the day brings. It allows for you to become more aware, more present, more connected to yourself, your thoughts, and your feelings. Take a few more breaths and allow this relaxation to sink in even more deeply. Thank you for your practice today. Begin to become aware of your surroundings. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.